Hi, welcome to the walkthrough of Grade 4 Young Robo Coders course. In this video, I'll guide you through how to access the course content using both Education Menu and the CodeRobo app. Before getting started, make sure you are signed into your CodeRobo account and have purchased the Grade 4 Young Robo Coders course. Let's begin. From the CodeRobo homepage, click on the Education menu and select Premium Pathways. This will take you to the Learning Management System or LMS where all available and purchase courses are listed. Purchase courses will display the Start Learning button. Locate Grade 4 Young Robo Coders and click Start Learning. You will be taken to the course overview page where you can explore everything included in the course. The course is divided into 3 units. Unit 1, Coding Basics. This introduces learners to variables, operators, and conditional statements. This unit also marks the transition from block-based coding to text-based programming, where learners write their first Python program using CodeRobo IDE. Unit 2, Code and Create, focuses on creativity through coding. Learners use concepts such as while loop and nested loop to create patterns, design, and shapes while strengthening their coding skills. Unit 3, Introduction to Robotics, introduces robotics concepts and explores how the sense plan cycle helps the robots understand their environment and perform tasks. On the left side, you'll find all 3 units. Expand any unit to view the lessons included within it. Each unit also includes an introduction page that provides an overview of the concepts covered and what learners can expect to learn. Let's open our lesson and explore its structure. Each lesson follows a structured learning format. The lesson introduction provides an overview of the lesson, estimated learning time, target learners, and the tool used throughout the lesson. Next, you will find the big idea, which explains the purpose of the lesson and why the concept is important. The lesson objectives outline what learners will be able to understand and accomplish by the end of the lesson. Our learning content is inspired by CSTA standards to support effective computer science education. After the introduction, learners can begin exploring the lesson content through explanations, examples, and guided learning activities. Concepts are introduced using real-world examples and visual explanations to help learners build a strong understanding before moving on to the coding activities. For educators, visual aids can be displayed during instructions to support classroom discussion and concept explanation. You'll also find unplugged activities that encourages learners to practice concepts away from the computer, strengthening their understanding through hands-on learning. Let's move to coding activities. Once learners understand the concepts, it's time to apply them through the coding activity. Each coding activity includes a mission goal, learning objectives, and guided instructions. The goal explains what learners will accomplish by completing the activity. The learning objectives describes the concepts being practiced learners will develop. For additional support, explanation steps are provided to guide learners through the activity and help them complete the challenge successfully. Click on Go to Mission button. You will be redirected to CodeRobo's 3D simulation environment where the robo is going to perform the task. You will get instructions in the prompt so that you have an idea how to complete the mission. This simulation is divided in 3 parts. First is the block library where all the required blocks to complete the mission will be available. Center part is the coding area where you are going to arrange the blocks in a sequence to complete the mission. On the right side is the 3D environment where the robo is going to complete the task based on what you programmed. Once you have arranged the blocks in proper sequence, click green play button to see Robo in action. Learners can complete the activities and continue through the lesson before moving on to the Python transition lesson. Learners will find wrap-up and reflection section. For educator, these questions can be used to assess learner understanding and encourage classroom discussions. For independent learners, they provide an opportunity to reflect on the concepts covered in the lesson. The time to practice section includes interactive assessments such as fill in the blanks, match the following activities, multiple choice questions. Learners can submit their answer and click check to receive the immediate feedback. The educators will also find teaching tips to support lesson delivery. Once all activities, coding exercises, and robotics mission have been completed, click Mark as complete to update your course progress. The Coding Basics unit concludes with a lesson designed to help learners transition from block-based coding to text-based programming. In this lesson, learners are introduced to Python and explore what it is, why it is widely used, and how it differs from broccoli. The lesson follows the same structure as the previous lessons, including the lesson introduction, big idea, lesson objectives, concept explanations, visual aids, activities, etc. The difference is the coding practice. Instead of building programs by connecting blocks, learners begin writing Python code manually using the CodeRobo Python IDE. Let's click on the button and practice the code on IDE. The IDE consists of two main sections. On the left is the code editor, where learners write their Python code. On the right is the output area, also known as shell or terminal, where the program output is displayed. Let's complete the first Python activity. In this activity, learners use the print function to display simple messages on the screen. After writing the required code, click on green play button to execute the program. The output will appear in the output area. If you would like to clear the output, click on clear button. This is how learners practice Python concepts using CodeRobo Python IDE. The second unit, Code and Create, focuses on creative coding. While the lesson structure remains the same, the activities encourages learners to apply programming concepts by creating shapes, patterns, and design. Let's complete one of the activity. Using the loops, nested loops, movement commands, and drawing tools, learners create visual projects while strengthening their understanding of Python programming. The third unit introduces learners to the fundamentals of robotics. Learners explore how the robots use sensors to understand their surroundings. Click on Go to Mission and complete the task. The robot will execute the commands exactly as programmed, allowing learners to observe how their code controls the robot's behavior. These missions help learners apply programming concepts in real-world robotic scenarios while strengthening logical thinking and problem-solving skills. Let's access the course through CodeRobo app. From CodeRobo homepage, click on CodeRobo app and sign into your account. You will be taken to your learning dashboard where all your purchased courses are available. To access the structured learning content, click Learn Concepts. This will redirect you to the learning management system where you can continue learning through lessons, coding activities, and assessments. If you would like to start practicing immediately, select a module and click Start. This will take you directly to the robotics mission in the 3D simulation environment. All completed activities, missions, and learning progress are automatically saved, allowing learners to continue from where they left off. This is how you can access Grade 4 Young Robocoders course. Complete coding activities, practice Python in CodeRobo Python IDE, applying your learning through Robo missions, track your progress, and continue learning using both Learning Management System and CodeRobo app. We hope this walkthrough helps you get started with confidence. Happy learning with CodeRobo.